Videos featuring clay characters are now racking up millions of views on YouTube and TikTok. People are simply crazy about these simple animated stories, unusual facts, and historical events. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create this exact style of clay animation using AI in just 5 minutes, from the script to the final rendering. For this video, we'll use Flash Loop to create the clay characters and animations, but I'll show you a special workflow that will make the whole process much easier and save a lot of time. I already prepared a prompt file for you, which we'll give directly to the AI agent. Then we can start creating. The first step is to go to the Studio section, and you will get to the page we need. Here, we will upload our special file for creating clay characters. Click the Import button and upload my file, which will be available in my Telegram channel through the link in the description. As you can see, it has been uploaded. There are already ready-made instructions for the animations inside. Now click the Add to AI Agent button in the top right corner. It will take you to a chat with the AI agent and the file already attached. Now all that is left is to write a prompt asking it to study the file. We write, "I've sent you the skill file. Come up with an idea and write a 50-second script featuring plasticine characters. The video format is 9:16. Now we simply wait while it studies the file. After that, you will only need to write your own story ideas or let the AI agent come up with them itself, and it will already understand what kind of graphics and animation we need. This basically automates the whole process. After it studies the file and comes up with the storyline, tell it to start preparing the animation and creating the full content. As you can see, he created a full-fledged script. We write, based on this script, start making animations in chronological order. Run Cling. Now the AI agent will start creating the sequence of actions, then the images, and finally the animations. All you need to do is watch the process. Sometimes it will ask you something or give you a few options to choose from. This is very convenient. We simply watch as it creates all the images and animations. There is one important thing you need to understand about this niche. People watch these videos not only because the characters look like clay figures. The visual style attracts attention, but the topic and the storyline are what actually keep the viewer watching. So before you create anything, spend some time analyzing channels in this niche. Open their most popular videos and look for patterns. What topics are getting millions of views? What happens in the first few seconds? What type of storyline appears most often? And how do these videos end? Right now, topics like unusual historical facts, mysteries, shocking details, conspiracy theories, strange real events, and stories with unexpected endings work very well for this format because they give viewers a reason to watch until the end. But you should not simply copy someone else's story. Take what is already working as inspiration and create your own idea around it. You can even take one successful topic and ask yourself, how can I tell this story differently, with different characters and a different ending? For YouTube Shorts and TikTok, get straight into the story. No long introductions. The first few seconds should immediately give the viewer a reason to stay. Upload videos regularly on both platforms, but export a clean version without another platform's watermark, and upload it separately to YouTube and TikTok. You can also upload it to Instagram. The more platforms you use, the better for you. And most importantly, watch your analytics. Look at which topics give you the best watch time and at what point people stop watching. If one type of story performs better than the others, make more videos in that direction. This is how you can understand what your audience actually wants instead of just guessing. As you can see, the process is moving forward, and the AI agent has already created all the animations separately. It also created the voiceover. You can download all of this right away. Save all the videos to your computer. Now let's combine all the animations and see what we got. Now I will edit the video, connect all the moments, cut out the unnecessary parts, speed up the animation, add the voiceover, and show you the final result. You can use any video editor. The video is ready. Let's see what we got.
The CIA spent 5 years and $20 million turning an ordinary house cat into a spy. In 1961, agency surgeons opened up a cat and got to work. A microphone went into its ear canal, a transmitter at the base of its skull, and a wire antenna ran the length of its tail. They called the finished creature Acoustic Kitty. First target, 2 men on a bench outside the Soviet embassy. Handlers opened the van door and let it go. It never reached the bench. A taxi caught it seconds later. 5 years, $20 million, gone under one set of wheels. The agency closed the file and still called it a remarkable achievement.
It looks great. What do you think? It is a very interesting theory about cats. Now let's create one more animation, but this time it will be a fictional story about Egypt. Just write your idea to the Flash Loop AI agent. In my case, like this. Now create a new storyline at your own discretion. Don't use any historical events or facts. Come up with a random, funny plot. For instance, something amusing about the Egyptian pyramids, or a comical, made-up story about infidelity. Keep it to 30 seconds. Now the AI agent will create a completely new video, which you will only need to slightly adjust in a video editor. All you need to do is confirm and start the process. During the process, you can also change any image and remake any animation. Just click on the image or video and click Edit. Everything is very simple. Now we wait until our scenes are ready. This takes around 5 to 10 minutes, depending on how many scenes you have and the length of your video. All the animations are ready. I remind you that all the prompts and the file I used to create this niche will be available in my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Now we download everything at once and I will show you the final result.
It is magnificent! Behold! This crooked stone is pure style!
Great, I really like it. And you can make videos like this every day. The main thing is to think through the script and storyline. That is the most important part. Flashloop also has a creator program, and you can join it and participate in paid campaigns. Just register your channel and complete the verification. If you want to save time creating content, I recommend Flashloop. The link will be in the description, so go and try it. I hope this was useful. Subscribe so you do not miss new trends. See you soon.